Attention, beauty enthusiasts! Are you dreaming of a sleek, sculpted look? If you're craving that fabulous face slimming effect, Botox might just be your secret weapon. Say hello to a more contoured you. Plus, did you know that Botox can also help with TMJ, temporomandibular joint issues? That's right. Not only can it enhance your beauty, but it can also alleviate jaw pain and reduce teeth grinding. Ready to turn heads and feel fabulous? Check this out for all the scoop on how Botox can help you achieve that stunning transformation.